Hello everyone, it's Monika and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to use one cutting die to create a very quick and easy card. So if you've got this remarkable mandalas, it's a layering mandala die set. It has 3 cutting dies, and as you can see, we've got this die, middle layer and the top layer. As you can see on this front cover of this packaging, that's how it looks like. I already made one project with this mandala, and it's actually a shaker card. And for this one I use this cutting die. As you can see, I layered it with different colors. I created a shaker card and I use a birthday love, and that's a cutting die from white flowers collection from textures as well, and this one. And for the first time, I hope you can see on this project, I used actually it's a Creative Craft Products brand from Craft Stash. It's adhesive white foam sheets. It comes in a pack of 3. So there are those sheets of foam, adhesive foam. This one is in white, and I think I have, yes, I do have one in black as well. This is the first time I use that foam and I love it. The only thing you need to remember when die cutting, and as you can see, I actually use that cutting die from this set to cut my foam as well, that once you cut it only once. You wind your machine once forward, don't go back, because that way the die can move and you can mess up your die cut, your foam actually. And then you layer another piece which you cut in paper, and you create this beautiful effect. Let me get up and see if you can. Yes, you can see. So you don't have to do, for example, like I did before many times, that I use paper and I die cut 1 centimeter multiple times, like 5-6 times, and I layered it to create this raised effect. With this adhesive foam sheets, you can do it in no time. So that's my shaker card with this mandala. I'm going to link all the products below the video, and until Friday, which is the 30th of June, there is 20% off on texture products and simply made crafts on Craft Stash as well. I'm going to put all the informations below, so 20% off with the code which is TEXTSMC20, but I'm going to put everything down below in the description box so you can check it out. So that's the shaker card. And for my project, which I'm going to show you right now, I'm going to use this mandala, and as you can see, I already prepared some layers. So I used the green, I used this this is like brown red color, and then yellow, and then I'm going to use a sentiment from this set from Reflections collection, and I think I'm going to use, I was thinking about Heartfelt Wishes, but you are an amazing friend. I think I'm going to use this one. There are so many of them which are really nice, so yes. Yes, I'm still thinking about which one to use. So let me put the die away so I can have more space to create this card. So I created a card blank, white card blank, and I think I will try next time to use a top fold, because I think it will look better. You can actually, maybe I will do it this way. I will create my card in this landscape orientation. Yes, let me put it together and then I will see, because you see, I'm still thinking which way should be better, because my shaker card it's in a portrait orientation. So and again my glue, of course, it's, yeah, it's fine. So I'm using, in the past few videos, I think if you watch me, you realize that I'm using that book binding glue from a Creative Craft Products. I like this glue a lot, and it's, as I said a few times before, it's very similar to the one I use from that Polish brand as well. So it's a very good quality. I love the nib of that glue. So yes, really nice. So let me put the layers. And yeah, I love this die, and from this die you can create so many different things. I've got another idea in my head, but I didn't have the time to prepare that one because I'm thinking about, shall I tell you what I'm thinking about? I'm thinking about the gatefold card with this beautiful layered mandala. And I was actually thinking to create, because I've got an order for a wedding card, and I think this mandala would be really nice on a wedding card. So still thinking about which colors I want to use. And yeah, I'm thinking to do a gatefold card, and I will show in a minute what I'm thinking about. Maybe if you've got this set, maybe if you've got this die set, you will do the same. That would be nice to see what other people are creating with the same die set or the same stamp set. I love this kind of thing, because then you can actually compare your project, and maybe you can see different approach to one product, and then yeah, you can get inspired by looking at other projects and other people, how people create. That's what I like. And if you watch every Wednesday, Lou has a live on social media, on Facebook and I think it's on her YouTube channel as well. So if you want to get inspired, she really shares a lot of fantastic techniques. So yeah, I do recommend checking her YouTube channel as social media, her Facebook page as well, her Facebook group. So I'm going to link everything below the video so you can check it out. And if you are new to Lou Collins and Texture brand, you can yeah, you can have a look what kind of, and I'm thinking I want to put it this way. I want to keep my card this way and use that sentiment. So I'm adhering all those layers to my matte. As you can see, I use matte black card. This one is by Crafter's Companion. I will link that one as well so you can check it out. So you can see that this die set can be used for shaker cards. It can be used for different things. I think it would look nice on a nice notebook cover, on a journal. And now I'm going to show you what I'm thinking. I know this sentiment is upside down, but imagine yourself a gatefold card opening this way. I think that would look amazing, and you can actually add here like an oval, most likely oval shape, to one side over here, and for example have a beautiful sentiment, and you will have that mandala around. And then once you open the gatefold card, you can place your wishes. So that's what I'm thinking about. If you've got this die set and you want to try this one, my idea, then go ahead and let me know if you've made the gatefold card with this mandala. So now let me think about this sentiment. I think I will go for the one I told you. You are an amazing friend. I'm going to post quite a lot of birthday cards in August. I think I do have a long list of people are going to send birthday cards, so I have to prepare myself well in advance. So to stamp, I'm going to use my my stamping platform again from Creative Craft Products. I love this one. I've got a different one, but it's an old and I like it as well. But this one is from We Are Memory Keepers. It has this one is 7 by 7 inches, but it doesn't have this magnetic back, and I had to add magnets. This one has magnetic base all over, so I didn't have to put any magnets, and I didn't have to worry about that. So I've got a strip of paper, and it's so easy. I love this one, and because it's brand new and shiny, that's why. So I think I'm going to use black ink. I usually use black ink for my sentiments. So yes, let me get my ink, and this one is my favorite, VersaFine Clair in black. So if you want to use an offer that 20% off on texture brand, maybe you are new to Luke Collins and textures, so go ahead and check out Craft Stash website, and you will get 20% off on any texture and Simply Made crafts. Plus, if you are VIP member, wow, look at that crisp stamping. I love it. That's one time is enough. If you are VIP member, of course you're going to get extra 10% off and a really fast delivery as well. So yes, and I think they had an offer on Tim Holtz products as well. So there's always a lot of fantastic offers, and if you are new to Craft Stash, at least sign up for a newsletter. At least sign up for newsletters, so you will see all the latest offers. And I'm using the trimmer by, again, Creative Craft Products. It's a brand by Craft Stash, and I like it. I like the look of that trimmer and how the trimmer is performing as well. I had one long time ago and I didn't like it that much. So I'm checking, and I need to see that if I don't want to have this big sentiment, so I will be trimming off a little bit more. No, maybe that's enough. Slightly more. That's the thing with trimmers, you can slice off little bits and pieces. So I think a bit more from this side. Apologies, I'm just slicing and trimming off a little bits and pieces because I want this card to look really, really special. Okay, I know, and now I think that's, yeah, that should be fine. So now I can put it against my card and see if I like it, and decide in which orientation. Yeah, I think I like it this way. But if I put it like that, it's beautiful as well. So I'm not sure which way I shall, which way should I do it. Maybe you can tell me. I think I will still need a bit of black underneath, and that's what I'm going to do. So I need that piece of black card. And let me, and I think this one I will just cut by hand. It's going to be, it's not that difficult. Unless you don't feel confident and you prefer to use trimmer, that's fine as well. So it's all up to you. Yeah, everyone crafts us in a different way, so yeah, don't be afraid. And if you can always correct it with your trimmer, and I think I like it this way because No, I'm going for it, and I'm going to add here this way. And because I think I want to keep it flat, I will just place it flat. Oh no, no, I think I will add some foam pads. It looks so weird to me, just flat. I'm not used to it. I actually prefer, and if you watch me, you know that I love my 3D foam tape to give more dimension. Okay, and I feel I can relax now because I know that it has dimension. So let me see which, yeah, I think that's straight. Let me double check if it's straight. Yes, you are an amazing friend. I like it, and I think I might add some gems. Shall I add some gems or maybe not? Okay, I think I will leave it as it is, and if I feel later on that I want to add some gems, some sparkles, then I will do that. So you can see that I created 2 cards with the same remarkable mandalas and die set. It's a layering mandala from this collection, and of course I use this one, or I use that set with sentiments, cutting dies. I use the stamp set, and I use this adhesive foam sheets. So these are the products I use and my beautiful cards. I hope you like them. Let me know which one is your favorite. I kind of like this one with the black background, and I love the colors, and a shaker card. And I think if I will have time, I will create that gatefold card. I'm still thinking that wedding card in a gatefold. Of course it's going to be big, but if you're going for a wedding, you can create a beautiful card, and you can create a you know, bigger envelope as well, so it's not a problem. It has to be special anyway. So thank you so much for watching. I will put the voucher code below the video so you can check it out. I'm going to link all the products I use in my video, so let me know which card is your favorite. Do you have any of those products? If you do, then let me know what do you think about them. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.